Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and share my YouTube channel for the more updates. So in this tutorial we will see how to create 3D part, and we will see one more part. So in this tutorial, so let's start the video. So first click on start button, mechanical design and part design. Again creating top plane and click on a sketch button. Then again creating one circle, so here arc is draw one circle, radius is 22.5, hit to screen. Again then create one arc, so radius is 26, and draw one circle on this line. Draw one circle and do the diameter. So radius is 1 6, and so 2.5. So from this point so draw one axis system. From this point to this point, so 60. Again then 45. Thirty. So this line delete. So this line delete. Again then constraint. Select this point. Control Z. From this point to this point, and give the axis is 30. 30 no 45. Okay, 45. Again this circle is mirror by this, and again this select to circle and mirror below this axis. So unwanted lines deleted. Unwanted lines deleted. Again then again then 1 6 arc. Again then create a circle, radius is 6 and enter. Again this mirror this circle by this. Again then select two circle and mirror below this line, below this axis. Okay. Again creating one arc by this portion, so arc is 7, so select a fillet and select this circle and this circle and give the arc here, so control Z and no remove, so select no remove and click here to circle and give the arc is 7, 7. Okay, so mirror this and this. Okay, again then select two arc and mirror this arc. Okay, again unwanted portion we have to remove, so remove this line, remove this line, remove this line, this line, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z. Okay, so deleted unwanted line. Okay, so also here one arc, so select a one, this circle and give the arc, arc is 7. Again then select mirror this to this, again select this two arc and mirror upward this line. Unwanted portion will be deleted, so delete this line, delete, delete and delete. Okay, so create this portion, delete this. So here one portion is created and exit the workbench. Again select a pad command and here pad is 3. So from the upward direction, so 3 mm. Okay. Here our one portion is created and select shading with edge. Okay. Again here one circle, so our circle is created in this form. So because here edge. Okay, so we have to complete one circle, so click on tool, then option, then display. Again here infrastructure, part infrastructure, no, display, so here performance and here circle accuracy, so here 0.01. Okay, again here one edit, okay and okay, so our circle is complete. Okay, complete, so there is a no edge gap. Okay, again then creating a circle on this plane, so select this face and click on sketch, draw one circle here and give the dimensions So here radius is 17. Okay. Again then one circle. So pad this circle up to 5.5 mm. Again then click on face. Uh, Click on a sketch icon. Again then select one circle here and click on a radius button. Give the radius is 14. Exit the workbench and distance is 3.5. Again let's create this fit to screen. Again create a one circle and remove this circle from this. Give the dimensions here. Arc is 11. So exit the workbench and remove this portion from all the bodies. So up to the last and preview and okay. So we have to one fillet here. So fillet is 1.5. So click on a fillet option. So here fillet is actually here all the command is we have to resetting. So again now click on a sketch, exit the workbench. Here fillet command is not visible, but again creating a command list. And search here fillet option, fillet command. Okay. Yeah, corner. Okay, corner. So click this option. Again insert toolbar. Okay, so here fillet option. So here fillet is not option is applicable, but we can select a corner command. Okay, corner fillet and double click on this. Actually here control Z, control no, actually fillet to last. So we have one fillet option, it's not visible, but we can search from this window. Okay, so also we cannot giving this fillet. So click on this axis and hide this axis. Hide this axis. Okay, and we can give color, also graphics, apply the material on this part. So we can any changes in this part. Okay, so our part is completed. Okay, and also we can apply the material also of this part. So we can apply this material. So define the work object, then click on this apply material and okay. So then define the part object and apply material. You select a brass, okay, and apply material and okay. So here brass material is apply here. Also we can give the color. So go on the properties and also graphics. So we can change here color of this part. Okay. So here part color is changes, totally changes. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. Okay. Thank you.